Here on Main Avenue, the orange barrels are down and the road is torn up, but the city still wants people to shop and eat local, reminding residents that these places are still the main thing. Construction on the outside, crepes on the inside of La Creme in downtown Zeeland.
But we know that for the greater good of the community in the future, it's going to make a big difference for us.
The cafes, outdoor seating and parking displaced by the road work.
It does, yeah, it makes you a little nervous because we don't really know what to anticipate.
For the next 6 to 8 weeks, the back door will have to do.
Some of those things are really unknown until you get into it, so we're just anticipating that people will still know how to find us.
The piles of dirt, part of a 4-block renovation of Main Avenue. From State Street to Maple, $10.2 million means heated sidewalks and utility upgrades for the newly paved street.
We need to rally around our businesses even when it's hard to get to.
But construction means closures for a second straight summer.
Downtown is still the heart and soul of the community, and it's the main thing.
For phase 2 of the project, the city's spreading around these signs, communicating to customers that these stores are still open.
Spend as much time and money here that we can, especially when it's hard for businesses to stay open.
Right outside downtown and separate from the Main Thing marketing campaign, construction on the 196 business loop will also cause detours. The 4.5-mile-long renovation from 88th to US 31 will start this Saturday and end likely in late November of this year.
Our customers will still find us here. They might just have to take an extra minute or two to get to the back door.
The cafe plans to keep cranking out the crepes. In Zeeland, Sam Lanstra, Fox 17 News.